To replace the drive system belt, begin by removing the spark plug wire. Remove the bag or mulch plug. Raise the height of cut to its highest position. Tip the unit onto its side and remove the blade. Locate and remove the 2 baffle retaining screws near the trailing shield. Locate and remove the 4 screws that retain the baffle to the deck. Using a T15 Torx driver, remove the single belt cover retaining screw from just behind the engine. Carefully remove the baffle and belt guard. Loosen the 2 drive pulley belt guards and swing them aside. Carefully remove the belt from the engine pulley. Unhook the cable spring from the transmission and rotate the transmission down. Use a T25 Torx driver to remove the belt guard. Remove and replace the belt at this point. Reassemble in reverse order. Upon reassembly, position the belt guards 3/32 of an inch away from the engine pulley. If the system appears to be slipping uphill, an adjustment is present in the cable near the left rear wheel. Simply turn it clockwise to increase cable tension to resolve belt slipping concerns.